Hello, my name is Danielle, and today I would like to show you how to use both the Millisolve Clarification System and the Millicup Flex disposable filtration kit for the vacuum filtration and clarification of liquid chromatography buffers and solvents. Both systems use a disposable 0.22 or 0.45 micron filter to remove particles which can shorten column life. Vacuum filtration through these systems can also remove a large portion of dissolved gases from buffers, reducing the risk of air bubble interference with LC instrumentation. To use the Millisolve Clarification System, connect one end of the vacuum tubing to the sidearm or outlet of the vacuum base. Push gently to secure the tubing, wetting the sidearm with water if necessary. At this stage, you can introduce the funnel alignment guide by stretching the ring over the bottom of the vacuum cap or funnel with the tab facing down and aligned with the vacuum sidearm. For continuous filtration using the vacuum cap, connect an appropriate length of PTFE tubing to the sidearm or inlet of the cap. Using the shortest length of tubing possible between the solvent container and the vacuum cap, slowly push the tubing over the sidearm of the cap. If necessary, soften it first by immersing the end at approximately 1 centimeter in hot water before pushing it over the sidearm. Place the Millisolve vacuum flask on a flat surface close to the vacuum source. Place the base on top of the flask. With a smooth tip forceps, center a 47mm filter on top of the support surface. Ensure that the filter is not wet, as it will prevent the flow of fluid because the vacuum pressure is not sufficiently high to overcome the membrane's bubble point. This is called air locking. Center the flange of the vacuum cap or funnel on top of the base and lock the cap or funnel and base together with the spring clamp. Connect the free end of the vacuum tubing to the vacuum source. Pour the buffer or solvent to be filtered into a suitable lab-grade container. Place the end of the PTFE tubing into the solution to be filtered, ensuring that the end of the tube reaches the bottom of the container. For batch filtration, place a funnel onto the frit instead of the vacuum cap. Pour your solution directly into the funnel. For both continuous and batch filtration, apply vacuum without exceeding 25 inches of mercury, or 948 millibars. Once your solution has filtered, turn off the vacuum and disassemble the filtration cap. The Millicup Flex can be used for batch filtration and clarification of buffers and solvents quickly and easily. Screw the threaded membrane support to a vacuum-rated GL45 receiver bottle until tight. Using a smooth tip forceps, arrange a 47mm membrane disc into the support collar. Center the flange of the funnel on top of the membrane base and press down until you hear a click. Attach one of the included tube adapters to the vacuum port. Connect one end of the vacuum tubing to this adapter and the other end to your vacuum source. Pour your solution into the funnel and apply vacuum until filtration is complete. Turn off the vacuum and disassemble the setup. I hope you found this video helpful in demonstrating the use of the Millisolve Clarification System and the Millicup Flex for buffers and solvents. Please feel free to post questions in the comment section below, and be sure to follow our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks for our products.